Researchers used the mobile home cage for head-fixing awake mice during microscopic imaging, single-cell electrophysiology, and optogenetic stimulation. Some of them combine these techniques with simple behavioral readouts. To enable more complex behavioral analysis, we have recently added motion tracking capabilities. The magnetic tracker is built into the mobile home cage, so it doesn't take away valuable space under the two-photon microscope setup. Unlike camera-based trackers, the magnetic tracker works both in light and in dark conditions, and it streams the data at 80 frames per second, which is much faster than image-based tracking algorithms. Let's have a look at the software. The user interface is divided into three parts: settings, recording, and analysis. Before you can start the recording, you must choose the COM port to which the tracker is connected. In the Settings tab, you can specify the regions of interest, as well as their size and orientation. Each region can then be used to control external devices. Let's imagine that I want to trigger a liquid reward system when the mouse spends 5 seconds in the middle of the cage. I enter this information in the pop-up window. In the Recording tab, once you press record, you can see a representation of the mouse's location on the screen. You can also see the mouse's speed, as well as the relative amount of time it spends in each segment. If you have specified the TTL control settings, you will see a pop-up reminding you about the condition for triggering the signal. The black circle will turn orange when TTL is on. You can change other parameters, such as the trail length, to better visualize the mouse's movements. Once you click Stop in the Recording tab, you will be automatically transferred to the Analysis tab, and the freshly recorded data file will show up there. It is also possible to bring up data files from previous recordings. For example, let me upload a previously recorded track of a mouse that stayed in the mobile home cage for approximately 40 minutes. Here you can see the complete track, as well as a heat map showing where the mouse spent its time. You can also see the TTL status, as well as the current distance traveled since the beginning of the recording, and the time spent in each segment of the cage. That's it in a nutshell. If you have questions, please contact us in the online chat, by email, or by phone.